When it comes to solar cells, sadly, American-made is a thing of the past. The United States no longer produces the active component of a solar panel. Because we've set massive targets for solar energy, it's critical to our national security that we produce solar components domestically at scale. I'm David Bernini-Needleman. From the moment I began my PhD at MIT, and in the years since I began working in industry, I've been focused on one goal: making a qualitatively better solar cell and manufacturing it in this country. At Leap Photovoltaics, we're developing a unique process that eliminates wafers, going directly from refined silicon to finished solar cells. This breakthrough cuts costs in half, uses 90% less silicon, and 70% less energy. Our strategy is designed from the ground up to rely only on the elements of the solar supply chain that already exist in the US. I'm joined by world-class team members and advisors, including Angel Sanforjo, who led the Stanford Research Institute Solar Grade Silicon team, our CFO, Matias Machado, who spearheaded capital raises for SolarEdge, Uber, and Sonova, Greg Wilson, former director of the National Center for Photovoltaics at NREL, and Porter Wong, who held senior positions at 4 successful technology startups. The California Energy Commission awarded us funding to partner with Lawrence Livermore National Lab and UC San Diego to validate our technology. With support from the DOE's American-Made Solar Prize, we can make another leap forward, bringing this innovation to market in less than 5 years.